Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. So we're now doing that detailed walkthrough of the Lumen. The Lumen is a beautiful new apartment. It's in the Montrose area of Houston, Texas. It's a luxury Houston apartment. And we're gonna walk through this one bedroom in detail. By the way, here's the hallways. The hallways are very nice. They're very clean, very well lighted, and I can't hear anything. It's really, really quiet. So, hey, let's take a peek inside the Lumen and see what it looks like. So let's walk in. We are gonna point out things like this. That's the keyless entry. And then let's walk in. Okay, so here is what it looks like. Wow, okay. We are going to see some beautiful detail of the kitchen in just a minute. But before we do, let's take a quick peek. We've got a stackable washer dryer. That's going to be all included. You've got a really nice built-in shelf for books or plants, whatever you want to display, that's all there. So that's nice. But then you've got a beautiful kitchen. So this kitchen is really cute. Got some great cabinets that are here. I love the way the cabinets go around the fridge, just tightly kind of hug it if you would. And you got a beautiful fridge. Fridge has an ice maker, and it's got plenty of space to store all you want. And then you got some gorgeous backsplash. Look at this backsplash. It's just very, very nice. It's really kind of ribbed, really intricate, small sections there. You've got some lovely quartz countertops that's here, and really the colors are beautiful. It's this kind of almost off mustard color, and then a brown color down here. The appliances are all new. It's going to be a nice experience. And then you're going to have this, kind of almost island that's out here with a huge kind of farmhouse sink that's here. So all beautiful appliances ready to go. You're just going to walk in and have a great kitchen experience. And there's plenty of storage in here too. I like it on the other side of the island because you really can have these 3, maybe even 4 chairs out here. You really don't need a table. You can have everything you need really here in the apartment. Now, okay, I like this, but one thing I would do is I would not have that there. I would actually have a little desk to have a little office. That's me personally. I would have that there. But anyway, besides that, this is very, very, very nice. Great. See, the sectional easily fits. So, you can chill out here, have a lot of fun, relax, and enjoy this. Here is, by the way, it's I'd say about 12 feet. 12 feet ceiling, so you definitely don't feel anything but relaxed in here. It's not cramped at all. And let's go explore this patio. So the patio's out here. I'm gonna walk outside and see it. And so you're gonna have your own balcony. The balcony's really cool. This is the entrance, by the way, that we walked in. That's the entrance to the office, the leasing office and stuff right there. And it's a convenient location. It's in Montrose. This is a great area of town. So anyway, that's a little bit about that. Hey, let's do a part 2 because now we're gonna explore just a little bit more of the bedroom and the bathroom. So let's go see that right now.